Hello boys and girls, mommies and daddies. Today by popular demand we have the battle of the brines. Which is better, the dry brine or the wet brine? Since I put that soul brining video online, you guys are asking about me to try this thing and experiment and see which is the best method. Both of the methods are really affordable, so it's not a big deal to make. And we have these two beautiful steaks here that I don't think they need any brining, but we're gonna do it anyway because you guys asked for it. So one of them is gonna be soul brine or dry brine. The other one is gonna be wet brine with soy sauce. This is a method that's been used for I don't know how many years, hundreds of years, and it always works. It's really good. We use it, I used it before, and I know it's good, but I never compare one to the other to see which is better. So that's what we're doing today. But before doing that, guys, hook me up and subscribe to the channel. We're putting 2 videos online every week for you guys to enjoy with a lot of information, a lot of fun, a lot of experiments like this one, and a lot of grilling, smoking, everything. If you like any of those things, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. And now, it's time, guys. Now it's time for it. Let's go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove one of these guys and put them on the side here. And this is the boy that we're gonna use with the salt. Let's create a bed with the salt. Okay, that's plenty. Put it right on top. Now, let's cover it with the salt. All right. Second steak. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna use it to put the steak in. This one is huge. I mean, you can use something really smaller than this. I'm gonna put it right there. And let's pour the soy sauce inside. That's plenty, I guess. Let me get rid of as much air as possible. Let's lock this up. And here you have it, guys. Well, as you can see, it's a really simple process. Nothing crazy about this thing. We put salt on it, soy sauce on the other one, that's it. Now I'm gonna give it 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove the salt, I'm gonna rinse it really well, and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing with the soy sauce. I'm gonna remove everything, I'm gonna rinse them well, I'm gonna make sure there is nothing in there. And only then, we're gonna season these babies up and we're gonna cook them. 20 minutes. Well, we have some interesting results here already. As you can see, the one with the salt, the colors are really vibrant, really red, really beautiful. And that's what happened when we did the other test. The colors pop up and it make it look really nice. The other one, in the other case, we have that the colors turn brownish. You know, there was some penetration for sure of the soy sauce in there. But the color change and it's not a nice presentation. I mean, if you're taking this to a grilling or something like that, I would say put some salt on it because it brings all those beautiful colors on. The other one doesn't look pretty at all. Let's put some spices on these babies and let's go cooking. here we have these wonderful, beautiful steaks that smell like there's not tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
This thing smells good, bro.
Oh, my God. I can't wait.
Oh, man. All right, Miss Ninja, I know you're in the rush to attack. So I'm going to tell you what it is. We have a test here again. We have an experiment here again. And we are experimenting between dry brine and wet brine.
Okay.
So I need you to tell me, based on tenderness, which is the most tender of all of them.
Okay.
All right?
Perfect. I'm more than ready. I can't wait to eat.
Give me my knife. Let me just get ready for this
Shut
thing.
up. Okay, here.
All right. All right, Miss, you're going to cut you a little piece because I know
My mouth is
you
watering.
like little pieces. All right.
Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I'm so hungry.
All right, guys.
Let's go.
Let's give it a try. Wow.
The charcoal hit my mouth just like boom, right away.
Amazing flavor,
Amazing.
guys.
Oh, wow.
Really delicious. But the comparison here is on tenderness,
Not on flavor.
not on flavor.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay.
So tell me how tender that is.
It is tender. But I mean, I need to compare versus the other one to see, you know, the tenderness.
All right, let's go for number B then, because I see that you are ready to go.
I'm ready. Give me fat.
You want fat?
Yes.
All right. That's your part. This one's
Craving
mine.
for fat. Ready?
Number B, guys. Let's go.
Oh, wow. It's like butter.
Wow.
I love it.
Wow, guys. Guys, number B is amazing.
I'm a winner already.
All right, Miss Ninja, who's gonna be a winner for you? Number A or number B?
So this is number A and this is B.
Yes.
My winner is number B.
Number B is the winner for
Oh,
Miss
yeah.
Ninja. Number B is the winner for me, man,
Oh,
because
it's good.
that thing is delicious, brother.
And
Oh
sisters.
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It is good. What is
Miss
it?
Ninja.
So tell me about it because
All right, we did a test, you know. Last time we did salt brine on the video and everybody was asking, hey, can you do a comparison between dry brine and wet brine?
okay.
So that one over there is dry brine. Now, I should say
Wow.
that one is a little bit more cooked than this one. And I don't know why, because we let them go to 120 degrees and then we just seared them up, and that was really simple, and both of them were cooked exactly the same. So I'm assuming that the salt opened the meat a little bit more, and the heat penetrates on it a little bit more. So you have to be careful with that. And the other thing that you have to be careful with is the rinsing. You have to rinse these two guys really well. But definitely number B is the winner today.
Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, so good.
Wet brine is the winner today, guys, and this one is amazing. Number B is delicious. This is not comparison. This is not even honest anymore, okay?
And I love the fat.
But I will tell you
It's
this.
so good.
I will eat number A any day.
Of course. I mean, both of them are good, but
They're
the
amazing.
goodest of the good ones, of the good it is
Yeah.
number B. So good.
All right, Miss Ninja, let's stop talking about the meat, and we have to take a little break in here because we need to go to the shout-out chair.
Let's
go.
go.
To the shout-out chair. Yes.
My finger.
All right, we have a bunch of papers here, and we're gonna go with the shaky.
Okay, enough. That's enough of the shaky. Enough. Okay, so let's see who's the winner. It's
David Vargas. Yo, David.
Welcome to our
Man,
table.
you're gonna eat some. Oh man, you're gonna eat some good stuff today, for
Number
real,
B.
bro.
Number B.
Those ribeyes are amazing. I mean, since the beginning, you saw that the colors and the fat into the meat and the whole 9 yards were
So good.
amazing. But number B is kicking butts here, guys.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
David, come over here, sit on that chair, eat your food while Mr. Georgie lick all over your face. Well, guys, if you like the video and if you enjoyed this experiment, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for because this thing is good, man. This is good cooking here, brother.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload our new videos.
And if you have anything to say, any other idea that you might have, do you like the experiments? Have you ever tried it? Have you ever compared them to each other like that? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today, guys, but remember that I love you.
Mwah. We love you.
Woo, baby.